Hello and welcome back to my channel. And for those joining me for the first time, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Today I will be making esquites, some Mexican street corn. For this you will need corn. I have fresh corn here, which when I cut up it will be about 2 cups of corn. You could also use frozen or canned corn. I got fresh corn because it's still unseasoned. Half an onion, 2 chiles serranos, 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of oil, which I'll be adding to my pot, and some epazote. For the toppings, I'll be using some mayonnaise, some sour cream, some queso cotija, chile piquin, some lime, or whatever toppings you like. So now let's start by chopping up the corn and my onions. Okay, so I'm on my last corn. And I cut it inside the bowl because it's easier and it doesn't make as much of a mess. Oh. But it is easier for me. And this made about 4 cups of corn, which is okay. So now I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to turn my stove on medium-high heat. While that warms up, I'm going to chop my onions and my green chiles to add to it. And this is the perfect dish for this type of weather right now. It's kind of chilly, it's raining, and why not? Will warm up your stomach. Alright, this is my onion. Put it to the side. And I'm just going to take the skin. I don't need the seeds because then it'll make it spicier. Vein out and then cut the top, and this should be easy to come off. Same for both. Now they do smell kind of spicy, so I'm gonna only be using 1. Okay, so now our pan is warm enough. I'm gonna be adding the 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to be also adding a tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to be adding my onions. And I'm just going to be adding them, cooking them for a while. I just want to make them sweat. Now we're going to be adding Esquites. It's good enough already to add my corn. So let's go ahead and add our corn. I forgot to mention earlier that I will be adding 2 cups of water to the corn. Okay, so my corn, I will let it cook for about 5 minutes. Maybe less, maybe 2 minutes, let it cook. And then I'll be adding the water. I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna check on my corn, but I'm gonna cut my epazote to add to the corn, and it's gonna be about maybe 2 tablespoons of epazote. You don't need a lot. This is what makes the difference in the tasting of the corn. This is what makes the flavor pop. Now this is epazote. You can find it in any Mexican store. You don't need a lot. And I believe it's called Mexican tea in English. I'm not sure. You just need a little bit. This smells so good. It's like the earthy smell. Makes it all come together. So I'm gonna be adding this to the pot with 2 cups of water. So let's open up the corn, mix it around. Now I can see it cooking. It's been already about 3 minutes. I'm gonna add my epazote. Mix it in. And I'm gonna be adding my 2 cups of water. And I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes. And it should be ready. So it's been 10 minutes already. Just check on the corn. This is ready. It's fully cooked. This made my house smell so good. I'm gonna turn off the stove, let it cool off for 5 minutes without the lid, and then I'll be back so we can serve it up. So my corn is already cool enough to serve. Serve in a bowl right here that I have. Add some of the broth. Now this is the best part. We need some mayo. I'm sorry, this is sour cream. Then we got the mayo on this side. Cotija cheese. And you can use whatever toppings you want. You don't have to use both mayo or sour cream. You can use sour cream or mayo, and then you get the chili piquin. And let's not forget the lime. And it's ready to eat. Oh, look at that. This is a heartwarming dish for this type of weather. Well, this is how I made my esquites. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you try to make it. Let me know how it comes out. Remember, you can make it your own. Put whatever toppings you want. Add whatever you want to the corn. That's your choice. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you again next time. Bye.